guys, Rich about here. We're heading to the second and final bonfire of the year as far as we're aware. It's bonfire night, happy bonfire night. Right, nice hiccups. That was fake. So we can hear some fireworks going off already. It's a bit of a walk. It's about an hour walk up there to the one we're going to, but it's going to be quite lovely. It's on the cliff top and it's just going to be very nice. Very excited for it, so I will film it and probably post videos and slow-mos and all sorts in this. So yeah, you'll see that soon. Yeah, on this video. Yeah, guys, you probably can't see me.
Boo! No, can't see me either.
It is so dark. We're walking up. I actually might have to put a torch on because I can't even see my feet in front of me.
We're there, don't worry.
I know you can't see the stars, but it's like being in a little globe. The stars are so beautiful. And Ryan said he saw some fireworks over in the distance, but I can't see them yet.
Call me a liar.
Huh?
Call me a liar.
No, I'm not calling you a liar.
Hey?
This is our view in front. Not much different. Almost trampled a dog a minute ago on our approach. Oh, do we have to go over the mound?
There's no wire fences here.
Ryan? Oh wow, look. Are we allowed to walk across here?
Maybe I just start walking behind.
It's like, that's where the fireworks are. Ryan.
Oh yeah.
It's like big kids watching. Oh dear.
Be alright in the back.
Oh God, I have to go! You open it.
You want to hold the filming thing and I'll open it? Oh, you got it.
Oh my God, how are you supposed to get it?
Just go and stick it in. Oh, there you go. Look, there's a little bit of flame.
Did I get told not to?
Here, give me here. That lad did. You hold the film.
Are you working?
I think my face is frazzled. Cute. Oh, it's going. Where? So much darker, isn't it, in there?
Hey guys, we're leaving now. We're all around the fire. It's kind of sweet. When it finished, one guy started going towards it with his little boy. We were like, what did it? And then we realised he was actually going to light the sparkler. And then it was like, what a genius. So we went, oh, Ryan lit my sparklers.
Ooh.
Because we got, shut up. Oh, look at there. Watch. Wait. Wait.
Oh, there's one.
Where? No, it was massive and it
Yeah,
was
over
in
there, over the town.
Yeah.
Over the town.
Oh, okay. Look at me again, look at me. Okay. Wait, it's so dark in there. I reckon we'll get a few people suing them because it's so dark and everyone's falling over everywhere. It was really busy as well, but apart from that, fireworks were lovely and the fire was beautiful and they actually sold sparklers. Health and safety does not exist at the ship. That's why we went, by the way. It's called the Ship, it's a pub. Probably should have told you that. Anyway, happy bonfire night. If you went to a bonfire, let me know how it was. And if I see any fireworks on the way home, put them in the video for you. Bye.